Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from the US. This came from Amazon, but what's inside? Let's find out. Well, this is from Hakubaku, and this looks to be a lot of shoyu. Yeah, this is their shoyu soy sauce flavor. Shoyu means soy sauce in Japanese, and I've tried it before, but I asked if I could have some more samples so I could try out a couple recipes with this stuff. I was thinking maybe making like a really spicy version with garnish and different oils and things like that. Maybe, yeah, we'll see what I can come up with, because this stuff is really good, and I've really enjoyed their other products too. Is their mochi barley, that stuff. If you haven't seen my diet video, yeah, weird, right? I've got a diet video. There'll be a link at the end of this video that you can click on and go and enjoy that. Well, very cool. Thank you very much to Mark and the other guys over at Hakubaku for shooting this over. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.